Hey, what's poppin', everybody? Got another early look for you guys. Shout out to my people. Y'all see it right there, JD Sports. You know what I'm saying? This one right here is going to be something that I think these drop around Easter time. You feel what I'm saying? But before we get off into this look, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. Tap into JD Sports, man. I'm telling y'all, man, they always look out for your boy, and that EA is clutch. The exclusive access is clutch. So make sure you got the app downloaded. But let's go ahead and take a look at this sneaker. Let's go. So these are a men's pair, you know what I'm saying? They do come in women's sizes as well, but don't let this pink box fool you. This is a men's pair. This is gonna be the Easter drop, like I said, pastel box, you know what I'm saying? Pink and kind of like an off-white beige colorway right there. This one right here is going to be the Air Jordan 3 Retro OG Cell J Aurora. You know what I'm saying? Open this up, speakers back of paper in there. And then, ooh wee, bro. Hey, look, man, say man, what y'all think about these, man? Ooh wee. The Air Jordan 3 Easter joints, man. Look at that. Look at that leather. Y'all be talking about that. Look at that tumble leather, man. The Nike Air and Pink on the back, the pastel colorways, the Easter. They executed flawlessly on these. And, man, the quality. Hey, look at this, man. Quality is crazy on these, bro. Crazy good. Inside of the shoe right here, we got off-white. We got that blue. We got that green. The cut on the toe box is not bad. You know what I'm saying? On the bottom, we do have that Nike branding. They do put Nike branding on this, man. They just throwing that Nike branding on anything, to be honest with you, man. But not a bad sneaker at all. Got the blue Jumpman logo on the tongue right there. Look at that leather tumble. No other laces that I can see in here. Let me show you the other one right here. I don't think it's no other laces in here. But yeah, man, look at that, bro. Man, these are nice, bro. $220, I think, for these. And they should be dropping pretty soon. I'll put the official release date and prices down on the bottom. Nike branding on the inside in that blue and then cream colorway. Green behind the tongue. Baby blue like right there behind the thread. Man, translucent clear. Pull tab on the back with a Nike Air in that pastel pink. Hey, man, say, man. Let me know, man. What y'all thoughts and opinions about these things? Are these something that y'all gonna pick up? I know it's kind of like, man, when it comes to like seasonal sneakers, as far as like Easter and stuff like that, I feel like that this is not something that they would, that people like to mess with, man. You know what I'm saying? To be honest with you, but this one ain't bad. I feel like they kind of miss the mark sometimes when it comes to Jordans, but this one right here, I feel like they executed very well, man. Make sure y'all tap in to JD Sport. Y'all see it right here, man. If y'all are looking to get exclusive access on this pair or pick up any pair, man, I appreciate y'all. Y'all know the sense, man. Rock with you like now was hype. Remember everything we talk about, including these threes, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all next one. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you,